Welcome to day 16, Frere Jacques. I'm going to use a metronome so I can keep with the beat. Make sure you tune before you play. I'll give 1, 2, and then 2 counts of rest, and then we come in. Here we go. 1, 2. Now I'm going to play it twice through for the round. Here we go. 1, 2. If your chops have been playing too long, you might have a mark on your mouth, and you want to make sure you're practicing every day so that you can hit those high notes easier. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you practice measure 9, the one with the 8th notes, first before you play.